all right, everybody. So here is your core bites number 29. And number 1 says, which are multiples of 12? So you have 12, 6, 4, and 36. And so the way that you would do the multiples of 12, so basically you're trying to come up with what numbers you can multiply to actually with 12 to make a new number. So if we have 12, that is the number, right? So that one works. 6 is smaller than 12. 6 would be a factor. You can multiply 6 times 2 to get 12. 4 is also a factor. You can multiply 4 times 3 to get 12. But these numbers are smaller than 12, so you can't use them. For 36, you could multiply 12 times 3 to get 36. So that would work. So those would be your two multiples of 12. For number 2, find the product of 1,234 and 8. So what you're going to do is you are going to multiply, because that's what it means when you're finding the product. So we're going to multiply. So 8 times 4 would give you 32. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 4 would give you 27. 8 times 2 is 16, plus 2 is 18. And then 8 times 1 is 8, plus 1 would give you 9. So your answer would be 9,872. For number 3, it says, which number makes a fraction equivalent? So equivalent means equal. So like we've done before, first you're going to cross multiply and you're going to say, what is 3 times 32? And that's going to be 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9. So the answer is 96. So you're trying to see 12 times what gives you 96, okay? So for this, you can do process of elimination. So if you say 12 times 6, you're going to get 72. That is not 96, so that's not going to work. Then if you do 12 times 7, you're going to get 84. That's not the number you need. So let's try our last one. So if we have 12 times 8, that gives us 96. So our missing number is 8. We're looking for 96 on both sides, so your answer is C. For number 4, which is the smallest, we're looking at units of measurement here, distance. So we have miles. Actually, that's probably meters. Meters, kilometers, and centimeters. So the smallest one, think of a ruler, think of inches. Centimeters are a little bit smaller, so your answer would be C. Okay, and then your last one says, is the following shape a parallelogram? So a parallelogram is any shape here that has 4 sides, and it's like a square, a rectangle. This would be more like a rhombus. So yes, this is a parallelogram. All right, guys, check yours. Our next stop is going to be a quiz, your Core Bites 2 quiz. So make sure you've gotten all your corrections for all the ones before number 29, and we'll be having that quiz next week.